Hello, this is Jimmy Akimbadi. So today we'll be looking at a concept related to planning on Agile projects called the Agile Planning Onion. The Agile Planning Onion simply refers to the different levels of planning done on Agile projects. So all these different levels of planning are essential for any Agile project to be successful at the end of the day. So the different levels where planning is done on Agile projects are the strategic level, portfolio level, product level, release, iteration, and daily level. So for the strategic level, we're looking at the strategic vision of the organization. Where does the organization see itself in the next 5 years? So the strategic vision or goal of the organization could cover 1 year, could cover 5 years, could cover 10 years, or even 20 years. So for example, a company could decide that their strategic goal is to be the leader in terms of developing applications or software in the area of social media. So that could be the strategic goal of an organization. So the next planning level is the portfolio level. So the portfolio level includes our product offerings, the various products we would deliver, the various projects we would embark on in order to achieve our strategic goal. So for example, for a company that wants to be a leader in the area of developing software, majorly for social media. Examples of products in their portfolio could be Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So that is the essence of the portfolio level. We're looking at the products we would deliver in order to achieve our strategic goals at the end of the day. Then we now have the product level. So the product level has to do with planning regarding each individual product. So this is where we look at the individual products like your WhatsApp, your Facebook, and your Instagram. What would be the features of each product? How would each product enable us to achieve the goals of our portfolio, which at the end of the day enables us to achieve the goals on the strategic level? So product managers usually manage this level where they are looking at different products. And just as we said before, we look at each individual product, looking at the long-term plan for each product, what features would be included in each product. So for example, when for each product, we could have a product that will be delivered in 1 year in certain releases. In release one, what features would it have? So release one could mean, for a product like WhatsApp, first release enables us to chat. Second release can enable us to not only chat, but to send documents from one user to another. So you now have the release level. So the release level is where we release increments of each product. So the goal is a release will deliver something of optimum value to stakeholders. Each release or new release is meant to be an improvement on the previous release. So just as WhatsApp, for example, before now, one couldn't display his or her status. So that is the current release of WhatsApp. The expectation is with the next release, one will be able to do more than that. So the product is broken down into releases. So just as we said before, first release could mean we're able to just chat. Second release, we're able to not only chat, but to send documents third release could mean that we are able to not only send documents, but to send video and audio files. So each release is meant to be an improvement on the previous release. So the product owner is usually in charge of this level of planning. So they prioritize the needs of stakeholders so that at the end of the day, whatever we're delivering to stakeholders delivers maximum value to them. Then after release, we have the iteration level. So the iteration level is where we deliver a particular increment. So we can decide that we are releasing a version of our product in 3 months. Within that 3 months, we can have 3 iterations, meaning we're having an iteration within a month. So within an iteration, we are ensuring that our product is able to do certain things. So, for example, we could say first release will help us to not only chat, but could help us to also send documents in form of PDF and Word documents. So, first iteration, which will be done in a month, would help us to chat. Second iteration would help us to not only chat, but also send Word documents. Third iteration enables us to send PDF documents. So at the end of the 3 months, which makes a quarter, we have a release that enables us to not only chat, but to send Word and PDF documents. So an iteration enables us to achieve the goals of a release. Then the final level, daily level planning. So in this case, where whatever we need to do in a particular month, we need to break it down into what team members will do on a daily basis. This would involve coding, programming, the work of the software tester, so that within a month, typically 20 days, we know what we're doing on a daily basis, which enables us to achieve the goals of the iteration. So in other words, your planning should not only include the strategic level, it should be broken down even to what you need to do on a daily basis. So this enables you to not only have specified strategic goals, but to have strategic goals that can be actually achieved. So hope you've learned things regarding planning, which can apply to your projects. So have a great week. Bye.